Hi there, I'm Erin, one of the co-founders of Known. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the basics for getting a personal website set up with Known. Known is a simple and easy-to-use social publishing platform with an emphasis on short messages and updates, similar to a microblogging site like Twitter or Tumblr. Known is free, lightweight, and a fun platform to create a web presence on. Many people use their Known site as a personal live stream or a simple blog for their ideas and links. To get started, head over to withknown.com and then click on the Create Your Site button. Now it's time to enter in the details for your new Known site. On the sign-up form, you'll be asked to choose a name for your site and to give it a domain. With a free site, your domain will have withknown.com as part of the URL. If you choose to upgrade to a paid account later on, you can change your domain to a custom URL. Next in the form, you will need to pick a username, a password, and provide your email address. This is the information that you'll use to log into your site in the future. Once you've created your site and your user account, it's time to fill out your profile. On this page, I'm going to upload a photo for my avatar. I'm also going to fill out my name, write a brief bio for myself, and list some of my other sites. You can include websites and links to your other social profiles here, like Twitter and Facebook. I think this looks good for now, so I'm going to save it and keep going. On the next screen, you can connect some of your social accounts to your Known site. This is one of the key features of the platform. If you connect your social networks to your Known site, when you publish something on Known, you can easily share a copy to your favorite social networks. So if you want to share a photo on your Known site, you can also publish it to Twitter or Facebook or Flickr. And if you want to share an audio file, you can also cross-publish it to SoundCloud. I'm going to go ahead and connect my Twitter account, my Facebook account, and my Flickr account. You can always skip this and connect your accounts later. Alright, so now we're in my new site. This is the main home screen that you'll see every time you log into your site. All of your most recent posts will appear here once you've started publishing things. You'll also see a set of icons up here that make it easy to quickly publish new content focused on a couple of different things. You've got status updates for short messages, posts for longer articles or essays, photos, check-ins if you want to save your location, bookmarks if you want to save a link, and audio for uploading something like a song or a podcast. Known's main focus is on publishing lots of quick bits of content. I should also note that your Known site is also fully functional on your phone or tablet. I'll touch on that a bit more later. To show you what I mean, here's one site that I like. It's from Warren Ellis, a graphic novelist and an author in England. He's published a lot of short notes and pictures, often once a day. Here's another site I like, from Audrey Waters. She's published a lot of links, resources, and a few images as well. Coming back to my new Known site, I'm going to publish a few quick things to get used to the interface. Adding content should be pretty easy. So let me start with a status update. I'm going to click on the icon and then do an easy Hello World message. There we go. Now I have my first bit of content. Next, let me upload a photo. I'm just going to grab a nice picture from my computer, and now I'm going to give it a title and a caption. You can also add hashtags to anything that you publish. This can come in handy later on for categorization if you've published a lot of things and you want an easy way to find all of the posts around a certain topic or keyword. This time, I'm going to send this photo to Flickr, Facebook, and Twitter. I'm checking each of the options before I publish the image. Now that's done, so let's go see if the photo was sent to the other social networks. So here's the image that I published on my site, and here are some links to the other places where it was published. Here is on Twitter, and Facebook, and Flickr. I'm going to skip the next few content types and leave them for you to explore. Now that I've published a few things, you can start to see how my site is coming together. Everything that I publish has its own page with a unique URL. This is great if you want to share the link to a specific post with someone. I can also go back and edit or delete any post after it's been published. My site looks a bit like a blog now. It's a stream of content with the most recently published things at the top. If I log out, this is what it looks like when someone visits my site. but I'd rather add a bit more color, so let me log back in and change the theme. I get there by clicking on the site configuration link in the menu. There are a lot of different settings to play around with here, and this is where you can change the name of your site or give it a little description. But I want to change the theme, so I'm going to go over to the theme section. Themes are the main way that you can change the look of your site. If you have a paid account, you can also add your own CSS to customize your site even further. Here we have a couple of free themes that you can use to change the look. It's currently set on Solo, but I want to give it a bit more color, so I'm going to choose this one, Kandinsky. There we go. Now I have an orange menu bar. If I log out again, I can take a look at my new known site and see how it looks to other people who visit it. I mentioned earlier that you can use Known on your smartphone or tablet. Known is built to be responsive, so it works on screens of all sizes, computers, tablets, and phones. I've got my new Known site saved here on my phone. Let me pull it up and I'll show you what it looks like. So here's that site that I just made. It's the same stream of content that I just published, only now it's optimized to fit the smaller size of my phone screen. Let me show you how easy it is to publish from my phone. I'm going to share another quick update. Let me write a little message here like, Known works great on my phone. And now I'm going to publish it. And there you go. I just published an update from my phone. I really like using Known when I'm on the go to share pictures and locations while I'm traveling. It's also a great way to blog when you're away from your computer. So that's it. If you want to learn more about Known or get started publishing from your free site, visit withknown.com to sign up and create your own account.